Hey, if someone gave you $200 because you're ugly, would you take it?
Of course.
Right?
I'm ugly, not dumb. Okay, I did get shot by him as well.
Oh shit!
Good play, Tony.
Thank you. I got him.
There is Jaeger in that room. Can you hear that?
No, it was completely silent the entire fucking time you were doing that. Friendly fires be nuke to vuka dude. Yay. Easy now, Captain Sparrow. Yeah. Give him a shield! Help me! Help me, Jesus!
Lord, give me strength. Oh Lord, give me the strength to carry on. Oh.
Help me, Jesus Christ, Lord above! Oh shit, I got him with the trap! Yes!
Lord, give me the strength that art me in heaven. Give me the strength to carry on and deliver thee from evil. Amen. Allegedly. Y'all want a Berkey Bimber? Berkey Bambitch. Bacon Bees Berkey.
Turtles in my hair. Squeeze the Kleenex. Nope. Really poops my pants. Dining hall. Hall of dining.
I can't. This
Kermit
fucking
the
pad keeps
Frog
moving the
here.
joysticks up.
What happened?
Shut the fuck up. This pad keeps moving the joysticks up, and it won't stop. And it's irritating when I'm trying to hold an angle because I just kind of slowly recede up. Shock drop. Oh fuck you then. I think my shotgun and landed in this like little tomato patch and completely fucking destroyed my shotgun.
He's right up there by the objective.
Ah shit, I'll just plant here.
Hell yeah, motherfucker!
Diffuser is online and active.
Claymore mine deployed.
It works.
That's so fucked up, Harry.
What? What's wrong with it?
No, I mean fucked up in a good way.
I fucked up as in this is OP. And fuck you type way, yeah. No.
You shall not.
Then perish.
I like bunnies. Everybody poops.
Oh.
Wait a second. Okay, look at this bullshit. I got a fucking kill assist, and you're still behead of me. Am in English too good, I.
Be advised, a bomb location has been compromised.
Be advised, a killation below to Hamburg.
Bomb location compromised. Plan accordingly.
Be advised, a Cation low bomb has
10
been.
seconds remaining.
The horse has come. Someone in the door?
Bitch, right behind you. How the hell? Okay, fuck it. Come here, boy.
Oh god,
She
there's a
did.
guy behind me. Oh, I did a backflip. That was sweet. good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. What's up?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that shit right there.
And Dobra and down in the shoo, bang, bang.
Oh, what, Tony? What happens?
Hamburgers. Watch out,
Hamburgers.
Chronicles of Riddick.
Must recover the diffuser.
I got the 4 kill. I can hear myself singing. My puppy's on the ground. He flipped on over. That voice makes me cough.
I fucking
Love
drink
him,
myself to sleep.
Are you the high? Have you been smoking a weed? Oh, come on. I didn't even fucking pick Lagarahagaboo.
What?
Lagarahagaboo. It's a fan favorite of my country. Lagarahagaboo. It says that diarrhea is hereditary because it runs in your genes. Squeak, squeak.
This is the type of shit you say when you want to be put in a mental asylum.
Yeah.
And they give you a squeaky toy because you've been a good boy for the last year. Like, he hasn't, like, bitten anyone's dicks off lately. Let's give him a squeaky toy. He'll like that. He hasn't licked any windows, been chewing at the walls again. Let's just give him a little squeaky toy, you know? Give him a little toy. Here you go. He's a good boy. You give him a cookie. Give him a little cookie too.
Stop with the
Quit that
fucking
now.
toy! That's my toy! Squeaking the toy! I got 2 assists and 1 murder death kill.
Murder, death, kill. At least I got a fucking high five and you got 2 high fives. Trying to kill fast.
You kill Frost.
No, I don't want to. Ah, okay then.
Alright,
Hey, Tony. The Frost died anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Tony, you're fucked. Tony, you're so fucked. You fucking. Do you know why you're fucked? Because you fucking stole my high fives. You got 2 high fives, I got 1.
Oh my god, they think I'm over there, bro!
Fucking high fives. You shouldn't have killed her that quickly. You should have let her go when a little. No, they know you're there because that's noise is loud as fuck. Yeet that nitro.
No, they still think I'm over there. They still think I'm fucking over there.
Do you know why? They think you're over there because you stole my half fans. Oh, bet. Go. Tony, they're defusing.
One op 4 remaining.
Look at the camera right there. Tony, that's a dead body.
I realize.
Diffuser located. Disable it.
There's a fuse on that window, most likely. E-A.
Bitch.
What you doing, bro? That was almost the butthole right there, but did it work? It did not. No butthole for me today, Boaston.
Bro, those 3 assists put me from fucking 3rd to 1st.
You keep stealing my high fives.
Find it.
I've been identified by the jackass! Give me a cookie!
What the fuck happened?
I will. I will.
Why is that all of us toward in the one angle? There we go.
Disable their diffuser.
Disabling the confuser. I will I fucking will. Start screaming the motherfucking toy! I've got a splinter. Splinter's been deactivated.
You got.
Fuck
Hey, that's what I
you.
like to see, Tony. Thick boy Monty, deluding her.
I filled her face full of my hot shot, if you know what I mean. Haha, yeah! Are you the high? Have you been smoking a weed?